Addressing the G20 delegates at the Agricultural Ministers' meeting through a video link, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has emphasized empowering farmers with digital and innovative technologies for ensuring world food and nutritional security. Having completed the landfall process, Cyclone Biparjoy will keep moving northeastwards as it gradually weakens. In the Kashmir Valley, 5 foreign terrorists were killed by security force in a nocturnal gunfighting and broke out between terrorists and the joint security force along the line of control in the Jammugan area in North Kashmir, Kupwara district. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will embark on a 6-day visit to the USA and Egypt beginning Tuesday. In the Indonesia Open Badminton Tournament being played in Jakarta, India's Kidambir Srikanth will meet Chinese shuttlers Li Shifeng in the men's single quarter-final match.